In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to lock columns in Smartsheet. It's a simple yet powerful feature that can help maintain the integrity of your data, especially in collaborative projects. Now, let's dive in and get started. First things first, you'll want to navigate to the specific Smartsheet where you're looking to secure certain columns. Once you have your Smartsheet open, the process is all about identifying which columns you'd like to lock. Locking a column essentially means that only users with certain permissions can edit the data within it. This can be incredibly useful if you're working with a large team and want to ensure that key information remains unchanged. Now, let's move on to locking a column. To begin, take your cursor and head over to the top of the column you wish to lock. You'll need to right-click on the column header. In case you're using a trackpad, this typically means tapping with 2 fingers or pressing the bottom right corner of your trackpad. This action will open up a context menu with various options specific to that column. From the menu that appears, look for the option labeled Lock Column and select it. This simple step will immediately restrict editing access for anyone categorized under the editor permissions within your Smartsheet. It's important to note that while editors won't be able to make changes to a locked column, admins will still retain their full access and can edit as needed. This distinction allows admins to manage and oversee the data without unnecessary barriers, while also providing a safeguard against unintentional changes by other collaborators. If you ever need to make edits to a locked column and you're not an admin, you'll have to reach out to someone who has those elevated permissions. They can either make the changes for you or temporarily unlock the column if it's appropriate to do so. Always remember that locking down key areas of your project can drastically reduce the likelihood of errors. But it's also equally important to communicate with your team members about why certain columns are locked. This openness ensures everyone understands the structure and function of your Smartsheet and minimizes confusion. Another helpful tip is to regularly review which columns are locked as your project evolves. What needs to be protected at one stage might need more flexibility in another, so staying adaptable and revisiting your locked columns can help keep your project fluid yet controlled. And there you have it, a straightforward way to secure your data and keep your Smartsheet organized and efficient. By following these steps, you're fostering an environment where collaboration thrives without compromising the accuracy of your data. Thanks for tuning in, and happy Smartsheeting!